Hey, what's up guys? I'm really excited. I just got these LED lights. These are from Neewer. The LED number, or how many bulbs, it's 480. Half is white and the other half is yellow, and I'll get to that in 1 second. But I bought a double pack, so I bought two of these. I got one already set up. These, but you can buy these separately. You can buy like one of these individually just like this, or you can buy two of them. You can even buy, without the stand if you don't need the stand. Now onto the actual LED light here. Let me go ahead and take off this plastic here. Okay, so here's the diffuser. I'm just going to leave the diffuser in here. So let me just go ahead and slide this back in here. And you can see the 480 bulbs here as well. So let me go ahead and put the diffuser back on here. And then you also have these locks in place right here. If you just push this up, push the other side up. So basically this way the diffuser won't slide out. So you can see here, now if I turn on the back, you have like an aluminum chassis here, but the back here with the controller, it's plastic here. Now one thing I want to quickly note is you don't always have to use the stand. Like I found out that you can actually use this like on your desk, just like this. So if you put it on your desk, something like this right on your desk, and you can go ahead and adjust it as well. So you can see we have this U-bar here, and you put the stand right into here. And if you look on the back of it here, we can see we have one knob here for the yellow light. This one down here is for the white light. It also has a slot here for two batteries, which you don't need if you're going to go ahead and just like use the AC adapter like I am. I don't have batteries for these, but maybe I'll get these like in the future. But you only need one battery, and you can put two on here to have one as a backup as well. And you can see a switch right here, and it has like 3 modes. You can push it all the way to the right. If you do that, then it's going to use your AC cable, which I'm going to need that. If you want to turn it off, you just put it to the middle. If you want to use the battery, you just push this to the left to number 2 there. And here's the stand here. I don't think I need to show you guys this, but let me just go ahead and hook this up like really fast. And you do have these levers here if you wanted to tilt this like in a certain position, but you can see if I just loosen that up, you can almost do a full turn here. You can lock it any place that you want. Okay, so here's the 2-pack that I got, but I'm just going to use one of the lights here, and I'll demonstrate using the white light as well as the yellow light and how much brightness it actually gives off. All right, so let me go ahead and just turn up the white light here, and you can see all the bulbs in here. I'm going to go keep going higher, 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 all the way to the max. And now I'm going to go ahead and increase the yellow brightness as well. And then you can see it has separate lightings here. So that's a total 480 light bulbs at once. And I'm continue to increase the yellow light. Okay, then I can go ahead and turn the yellow light all the way off, and I'll go ahead and turn off the white light all the way off as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and start increasing the lights here. So here's the white and here's the yellow. So let me go ahead and start increasing the white lights here. And all right, so really fast again, I do have the curtains closed here, and you can see the LED is right here. And now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and increase the brightness here. I'll go ahead and use the white light here. Increasing, 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 increasing. That's all the way at the max. Let me go all the way down, 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 down till it's off. Let me go with the yellow now. Increasing, 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 increasing. And this is the max for the yellow. Turn it all the way off here. And then I'll put both at halfway. The white, I'll put at halfway. And I'll also put the yellow at the halfway mark. And there you go, the light is right over here. So, all right, so I'm gonna stand about here. I don't have the lights on right now, and I'm gonna start off with the white light. I'm about 4 feet away, okay? I can touch it right here. So let me go ahead and start off with the white light here. All right, so this is like halfway here, and I'm looking directly into the LED lights here. Now let me go ahead and increase the brightness even more to the max. Wow, that is like really bright, but yeah, so I'm 4 feet away, and I can keep like moving back here. And let me stand right here again, and now let me go ahead and like turn the lights off. So look at this now, and now the lights are totally off. Okay, so, and again, there's also a yellow one here, so I'll go ahead and adjust the yellow as well. I'll move halfway up with the yellow, and again, about 4 feet away, and I'll increase the yellow all the way up to the max here, and I'm 4 feet away, and I can still move back probably like 6 feet away now. Let me go back to about 4 feet here, and then let me go ahead and turn the yellow light all the way off here, so you can see again. And now let me just do this. Let me increase the brightness of the yellow and the white all the way to the max. So this is the yellow and the white at the max together. And now let me go ahead and just turn both of them off. And you can see that again. Pretty simple like unboxing review, but I'm really happy that I got these. It's a lot better than my softbox lights that I have. Usually when I record down here, I do have my softbox down here as well. But the thing is, the light doesn't go as like far. These are definitely much more better, but they are a little bit more expensive. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.